If you want to make your eBay listings more engaging and increase buyer trust, adding a video can make a big difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a video to your eBay listing step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to showcase your product more effectively and improve your chances of making a sale. First, open the eBay website and sign in to your seller account. Once you're logged in, click on the Sell button or go to your active listings and choose Edit or Revise for an existing item. When the listing editor opens, scroll down to the Photos and Media section. Here, you'll see an option to add photos, and in some categories, you'll also see an option to add a video. Click on Add Video or a similar option. Next, upload your video file from your device. Make sure your video clearly shows the product, highlights key features, and demonstrates its condition. Keep the video short and focused so buyers can quickly understand what you're offering. If the direct upload option is not available, you may see an option to add a video link. In that case, you can upload your video to a platform like YouTube and paste the video link into your listing description. Once your video is uploaded or linked, preview your listing to ensure the video appears correctly. Check that it plays smoothly and adds value to your listing. After confirming everything looks good, scroll down and click the Save or List Item button to publish your changes. Adding a video can help buyers see your product in action, understand its details better, and feel more confident about making a purchase. In this tutorial, we learned how to add a video to your eBay listing by uploading it through the media section or adding a video link. This simple step can make your listing more professional and increase engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.